Howdy. Today I started final assembly on the engine and ran into some issues with the ARP head studs. Just couldn't get the head on correctly. Ended up getting frustrated, turning off all the cameras and going about it a different route. I'll show how I got over it in the next video though. But as for this one, let's jump into it. Wait, before we jump into it, let me state I'm not a professional. I do this as a hobby. Everything I'm doing here, I've read about online, I've researched a lot, and it's just, I actually work on computer systems for a living. So don't take what I say as the end-all be-all. Please do your own research and use this as part of the research. That's why I tried to include links below. Thanks. Now, let's get on it. Kill the music. So I kind of goofed. I thought I had hit the record button. Whoa, let's fix that. There we go. I thought I had hit the record button and started recording when I swapped the camshaft, but I did not. So the old camshaft, or the comp camshaft, is in the box, and the Nissan one is out. So we're going to put the Nissan camshaft in here and start buttoning this up. So what we are looking at is what I am about to torque down. I'm trying not to show you guys too much of my backside, but got the torque wrench. And the first thing we're going to do is torque these to 7 pounds. So let's set it. Okay, so next we're going to tighten these to 7 pounds for our guides. But before we do that, let's put our spring in. And again, we're going to torque these to 7. Next, moving on to the ARP head studs. Alright, so we got 5 long. This one. Oh, nice. They got a hex tip on them. Alright, so, well, I figured out what the issue is, and that was that some of the alignment holes aren't straight. I don't know if you want to call them alignment holes or just the holes in general for the studs. So I went through, cleaned it all out, wiped it all down again, and I wanted to record this while it's still fresh. That is a question. We all post the good things. We all post things that we want to see as positive and inspiring and that we're doing well. But do we post the frustrating things? Do we post the failures? Do we post the steps we took and tried before we got here? So yeah, I'm gonna debate that before posting this, and yeah,
not a loss. I just had to clean everything again, and I figured that I didn't want to waste that much of your time on cleaning everything again, so this might be the fastest video ever. But yeah, they're on. They're not torqued or anything, they're just on. I'll go over how I got them on in the next one. Till then.